Good morning, guys. We are back for another vlog. It is Saturday, September 6th, and we are heading to another show again for ALE. So for those of you that have not seen the previous vlog, per usual, you can press pause and go check it out. For those of you that did, thank you again for the support. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, do all of that thing that I never ask you to do usually. But that's me being a vlogger. So it is, I have no idea what time it is. We have about an hour and a half drive, maybe two, depending of traffic, to make it in Sherbrooke. So it's ALE, so that's the last promotion that I wrestled for. I'm going against Ranza Hunter again. I have a rematch with against her for her championship that I did not lose. There's no such thing as losing. You win or you learn, and I've learned a lot of things. So yeah. Now, don't mind the mess. I'm packing and I need to get food in my body before we leave. We're not going to stop at Tim Hortons this time. We're going to stop at Starbucks. We are being extra today. Here you go. I've been to Starbucks. I got a chai latte with pumpkin foam. I'm not a pumpkin spice girl. I like my summer drinks, but this tastes like candy and I love it. I've just had the sweetest conversation with the Starbucks barista while we were waiting for the drink. He was so sweet and so nice, because he was only speaking English, and was talking about how he appreciated that I was being inclusive. I'll just park them in the way. Because I'm not in my lane. Sorry, sir. But yeah. He was the cutest. And I was speaking English. And he was like, a lot of people, they don't understand. Language is hard. And like, there's more to this world than language. Who cares if you only speak French and you're getting served in English? Take your fucking latte and go home. It's not that hard. Like, why does it have to be so hard? Like, oh, why? You don't speak French? No, I don't have to. Like, it doesn't matter if we're in a place that speaks mainly French. Learn other language. Like, there's more to this world than just one language. Practice, learn, do like me. Have a broken accent, who cares? And then you can go around the world and you can speak to everyone. Isn't that fantastic?
Upon my word, you give your opinion very decidedly for so young a person.
Yeah, it's good. So it stopped raining. We like that. I hate rain. If you haven't noticed, I hate rain. I love when it's hot, sunny, and now I'm gonna be miserable all winter. I don't know why I'm living in Canada. All right, time to go.
I'm a la 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 loner, la 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 loner. Every time I try to fit in, it ends up in misery, yeah. Socializing thoughts.
So we've made it. Here is it's an old church. So there, that's what it looks like. Same ring. I thought I found a great parking spot, but no. We were asked to move our cars a lot further down. So it's not a one-way, right? I hope not. Yeah. Oh yeah, it was. Oops. We are being illegal. That's okay. At least there's no one on the road. So you're gonna be illegal, just don't get caught. It's not illegal until you get caught.
It's not illegal, it's frowned upon, like masturbating on an airplane.
So when you don't have an umbrella, actually I have one in my trunk, but I'm being lazy, so that's what we're doing. Come on. Y'all come with me. That's what it looks like. A church in this small town.
But I can't get away so easy. I was born a misfit. Don't go with the cool kids. It's all overrated. No, I never missed it. I was born a misfit. Don't go with the cool kids. It's all overrated. I just didn't meet it. I'm a la 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 loner. A la 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 loner. A la 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 loner. I'm an outlaw in this world.
We're setting up everything. There. Out of the way. It's a lot of work. I love it. Boom, boom.
Vroom vroom!
On our way to get more chairs. What happens if I lock you in? Oh. No, no, don't do that. It's a pat on, it's a pat on the head. Where's my finger? Oh. So we went on the other side of the street. Little thrift stores. So we're checking for treasures. The sexy police, sexy nurse thing. Too bad, got no one to nurse. Wow. I used to have these as a child. The original Frozen in my life. $1989. Wow. Talk about old school. Question. Guys. When... Oh, hello! Oui, toi? We found a Loic. We found a Bouchard.
Yes, sir.
Hello. See you soon. Oh. So yeah, questions. When you guys are acting all cool with your cars, what do you actually expect from women? Like, Is it because you're going crazy with your engine that we're supposed to drop the panties down and say, let's go? Let's do it?
Ay, papi, you're making me hot.
That's the main purpose. Because nobody cares about your car. Nobody. Okay? Just, I'm just gonna put it out there. It does nothing. Let's visit. Oh shit, she's creepy. No. Oh, that's not a big visit. Here's the bathroom. I wanted to go downstairs. But we have found a body.
Is it vlog time?
Is it?
I put my Instagram.
How about no?
Now this. Here's a seat. That's where we visit. That's my favorite part of church. Going to creepy basements. Oh, I have lost the shoes, guys. We have not made it to the part of the vlog where I am no longer a classy woman and wearing shoes. Damn, there's nothing to see. What is over there? You look and you tell me. Oh, nothing. Oh, ladies. Huh? I have found Ranza. There she is. So, we are moving again. Because we share one big room. And there's just one tiny bathroom stall. So, because I'm a girl and I take forever, like, especially for the bottom, I have like 3 layers to put on. So sometimes it takes a lot, so I don't want to be there in the stall for like forever and people have to wait for me. So I'm going alone in the basement just to change and I'll go back. So I'm traveling, my little carry-on. Oh, so here I go in the public bathroom. All right. So the meeting is at 6. All right. So we got a bottom. The problem is these. Because, wait, the line here, not me showing my ass again, but the spiders in the back, I can't put them together. I can't put them on in one shot. They're always backward. The spider's on the side, one's on the other one, doing a backflip and shit. So I'm always out of breath. And I'm speaking, you can't even see my head. All right. Just peace. Yeah. Boom. This camera is very zoomed. I'm hoping that the new front, that the thing is that I'm using the front camera, which I know is not ideal. But otherwise I can't see if I'm filming or not. But yeah, I'm hoping the new phone is gonna have better camera. All right, so this is all done. Undone, I mean, because when I cleaned it, it all got fucked up. So I have to do all of that. All right. So I'm nervous for this match again. I mean, I'm nervous for all my match.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay. All right. And when I'll go upstairs, all I have to do is tape everything in place. my knee pads, my boots, my socks. And for now, I'll put these sexy pants and a t-shirt. I have to remove my earrings. Part of them. Alright. I have perfume in my mouth. Alright. Let's move. You look extra smart.
No!
It's such... Oh, excuse me. Right. This final setup. Ah, Jimmy, c'est vrai, il a amené.
Je me demandais c'était à qui les sacs.
À Jimmy Wood. Hein?
T'as des photos aussi.
Les deux en même temps.
Ah, super.
Ouais.
Max, la mère, il fait une dans l'œil, il fait ça.
Yuck. Right. So we just made it back home. Just arrived. I didn't film after the match. I was a little bit in my head and talking with people. So yeah, successful night. Not in terms of me winning, but overall, fun experience as usual. Just hold on, I'll be back. So yes, so now it's way past midnight, and the road was, at least it stopped raining, but it was a lot of mist, so very hard to see on the road, but we made it home safe. And now I'm just gonna unpack quick and try not to go to bed too late because I do have practice tomorrow. So yes, thank you for tagging along, thank you for watching, and if you've made it that far into the blog, just leave a comment down below. You know, let's write. No, I got nothing. Just thank you and see you next time.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig in